The Administrative Decisions Judicial Review Act says that a decision is reviewable if there was no evidence or other material to justify the making of the decision. This occurs if the person who made the decision based the decision on the existence of a particular fact and that fact did not exist. Mr. Al-Miahi claimed to be from Iraq, and he claimed to have been persecuted because his brother was a prominent Shia Muslim resistance fighter. Now, people who just want to come to Australia sometimes claim to be from really dangerous places to improve their chances of refugee status. Officials often ask people to describe little details about their hometown, things that other people might not know. Mr. Al-Miahi claimed to have been beaten and interrogated in a city called Alamara. Officials asked him questions about that city. His answers were unsatisfactory, and this was one factor that led to his asylum claim being rejected. Unfortunately, the officials had misunderstood. Mr. Al-Miahi had been interrogated in Alamara, but he had been arrested in his hometown, Ali Ash-Shaki. There was actually no evidence, none whatsoever, to show that he had ever claimed to have been from Alamara. So in the terms of the statute, the decision was based on the existence of a particular fact, and that fact did not exist. The court then had to consider whether the decision maker based the decision on the existence of that fact. The court said a decision may be based upon the existence of many particular facts. It will be based on the existence of each particular fact that is critical to the making of a decision. Their Honours continued, it is sufficient to demonstrate that the relevant fact played a part in the process of reasoning of the tribunal, in the sense that the fact is one without which the tribunal would not have reached a conclusion that it did. However, it is not sufficient to say only that the link between the fact and the decision is tangible, and that the assumed existence of the fact contributed significantly to the ultimate decision. In Mr. Al-Miahi's case, there were other reasons to doubt his claim, and so even though a fact was taken into account, despite there being no evidence of that fact, the decision was not based on that fact. Mr. Al-Miahi's appeal failed.